Hello, welcome back. In this lesson, we are going to be learning how to draw the rectangle. So to start, let's just pick any plane. We can pick the front plane again and click sketch. Again, you will know you are in the sketch mode when you see the exit sketch up here and this red gizmo down here and this in the upper right hand corner. So to draw a rectangle, we'll start from the first rectangle, which is a corner rectangle. So with that, you want to click one and drag it to the next corner and click. So you can click one, you can also drag it in the opposite direction and click again. So, and one key thing you need to know with drawing any of the sketch tool is when you click on the sketch, you will see the 2 points on it that is indicating that it is a 2-click, which is corner to corner. For this next one is indicating is a 2-click from center to corner. So we'll click the center rectangle and just zoom out and pick any space, click and drag. So as you can see, we clicked on the center and we click on that corner to make it. Let's do it again. We'll click center and drag and click. So that's how you draw the center rectangle. And the next one is a 3-point corner rectangle, which is you click, you drag out, click, and you now drag out and click. So that is a 3-point corner rectangle. Again, you click, you can drag it in any direction you want, click, and drag out and click. So that's how you do a 3-point corner rectangle. And the next one is a 3-point center rectangle, which is you click, drag out, click, and now your rectangle is almost symmetrical. You click again, you click, drag out, and you click. So that is pretty much how you do the center 3-point center rectangle. And the last one is a parallelogram. So we'll click on it. Click our first point, drag out, click, and now you can move it in any direction you want and you can click. So that is pretty much how you draw the rectangle in Solidworks, and you will know with the hints of the points it has. Thank you, and I will see you in the next lecture. Bye.